When a spill happens, every second counts. Do you know what to grab first? Or which mistake could make things worse? One wrong move can put your safety at risk and cost your workplace thousands in penalties. Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through how to properly use a spill kit to contain and clean up hazard spills with an emphasis on checking the safety data sheets, also known as an SDS for critical information. We'll walk you through the right way to use a spill kit, so you're always ready when it matters most. Spills can happen unexpectedly, whether from chemicals, oils, or other hazardous substances. Having the right equipment and knowledge is crucial to minimize environmental harm and maintain safety in the workplace. Work health and safety legislation, along with the environmental legislation, mandates that all businesses must prevent environmental harm and maintain a safe work environment. Failure to do so can result in severe penalties for both individuals and companies. There are different types of spill kits available designed for specific types of substances. Firstly, general-purpose spill kits are ideal for cleaning up non-hazardous spills, such as water or coolant. Secondly, oil and fuel spill kits, specifically designed for hydrocarbon-based liquids like oil, petrol, or diesel. These kits include hydrophobic absorbents that repel water and absorb only oil. Thirdly, chemical spill kits, used for hazardous chemicals such as acids, solvents, and bases. These kits contain highly absorbent materials and chemical-resistant PPE for handling dangerous substances. No matter the type of spill, your kit will typically include personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, absorbent materials like booms and pads, tank or drum repair putty, and contaminated waste bags and ties. It's important to always wear the appropriate PPE and check the safety data sheet before starting a spill response. First, ensure the safety of everyone around. Establish a perimeter to keep others away from the spill, especially if it's hazardous. Identify the material involved in the spill by checking the container and reviewing the safety data sheet. The SDS contains vital information on the risks, handling, and cleanup procedures for the specific substance. Evaluate the hazard and potential risk, including the spill's proximity to stormwater drains or ignition sources. Always refer to the SDS for detailed hazard identification and handling instructions. Always prioritize your own safety by wearing PPE. Check the SDS for recommended PPE and handling precautions before starting to clean up. Contain the spill by placing absorbent booms around the spill's perimeter. Absorb the liquid using pads or organic absorbents. If possible, stop the spill at its source. Once the spill is contained and absorbed, clean up the site. Collect the used absorbent materials in designated contaminated waste bags. Properly dispose of all waste by following your local regulations. Always check the SDS for disposal requirements and never reuse absorbent materials. Terminate the incident by reporting the spill, ensuring all waste is disposed of correctly, and restocking the spill kit for future use. To recap, ensure personal safety. Check the SDS for hazard identification and recommended PPE. Contain the spill. Absorb the spill. Then prepare for proper disposal as per the SDS. Report the incident and restock your spill kit. Proper spill management is crucial to keeping your workplace safe and compliant with environmental laws.